Hey, what's going on, guys? Grim Creeper here, and this is possibly a new series. We're gonna be playing Slime Rancher. Yes, and I have a save. It's really good, but I don't know if I can do 2 games at once. So that's the bad thing. Well, here goes nothing. Please save my other one. Oh, wait. I think it did. Wait. Select game mode. What? Adventure mode without... Wait, what? I've never seen this. I think this is new. Let's see. Hold on. A mad sprint for the most new bucks you can earn in 5 days. Bragging is encouraged. What? No, I don't want to do that. Let's select our game thing. Where's the quantum slime? That's a golden slime. Do they not have the quantum slime? They have a tar. This is illegal. They don't have the quantum slime. We're gonna do normal. Yeah, let's do normal. Confirm. Alright. Alright, hopefully we can do good. Hopefully. And I won't not feed my slimes like I did on my last one. Plus my other one is boring because I already 1,000 light years away from Earth on a planet known as the far range. Beatrix begins her first day as a slime rancher. Ooh, some carrots. Alright, I already know how to do the tutorial. Oh wow, you sprint so much faster. I haven't played since oh wow. Okay. Can I like skip the tutorial? Cause I kind of already know how to do that. Boo boo, I already got a slime. Here, this one over here. Come here. Boop, I did it. Alright. Pow pow pow. Let me just ooh, let me get you. Boop. Gotta do it. Hey. I think I have to. Here you go. Alright, where'd that chicken go? There you are. Can't hide them. Tasty fruit. Acquire veggies. There you go, I did it. Oh wow, that thing slid far. Alright. Here you go. You're gonna take 2. Can I build a farm yet? Garden. Purchase. There we go. Ooh, floor. Right. 360! Did I do it? Nope. 360. I suck. You know what? There. What is this? What is this? Oh. Wait. Oh, this tells you what the stuff is. Alright. Oh, I can't go this way. What? Why do I need so much money to get that? Ooh, explore it. Ooh, there's another one. I don't want a slime. You know what, y'all? Be free. I don't want you. Okay, they're not done growing. This game is kind of hard when you first start. I'm not gonna spoil the end. The end is really fun. Or cool. So, I'm not gonna spoil it. There's so many. Come here. Get in my vacuum. No, those are my fruits. No, not yours. You don't deserve any of those fruits. Oh, carrots! Carrots! No, they're all mine. They're all mine. All mine. All mine. Go away from me. Oh, oh, I'll take that plort. Thank you. Ooh, some pogo fruit. I'll take some more of those. Ooh, and some more carrots. Oh, more carrots. Can't let any of these guys get them. Dang it. I have so many slimes. Come here. Oh, there's a boss dude. I don't think this game is in beta anymore. Because there used to be spots that were like blocked up. Because you couldn't go there. So I'm gonna go check them out. I think the game is out of beta. Definitely. Yeah. It's definitely. What's this? I don't care. Yeah, I'll read it. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave, and when I first discovered it, maybe that's why the fellas up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. What is this? Oh, it's a map! It's the map, yeah. There's what is that? What is that? That I've never seen this. What? They definitely added more places. Yep, a lot more. A lot. Cause okay, I remember all the that spot, the big purple spot. That's a cave. Yeah, I knew that. That's like a town thing, whatever. There's a dock right there, but I've never seen that. Maybe I have. I don't want to right now. I'm sorry. I'm trying to record the Slime Rancher. Nobody cares when I'm recording. I just want to do a game of this. And yeah, leave me alone. I will play with you later. Hopefully he doesn't invite me again. I just want to play Slime Rancher. What is that? I've never seen it. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Okay, yeah, they've definitely added more like things. Usually, a stupid rock slime. Ooh, a tabby. Go away. I don't want any. Come here, you tabby slimes. I just want tabbies. Tabbies? Tabby. Stupid rock slimes. No, come here. Okay, let's go home. You run so much faster, I still can't get over that. I mean, I can. Okay, I just want to play some Slime Rancher. Please don't hurt me. No! Yes. Come here. Die. Or not die, but take the plorts. Or take the carrots or something. What do you want, Lucky Slime? Come on, slime. Do you want this? What do you want? Do you want the carrots? Come here, you lucky slime. Where'd she go? Dang it! I forgot what she does. Or he, or she. I don't know. Ooh, carrots. I'm gonna go feed my other slimes. Ow. Okay, some more pools. Oh, I'm full. Carrots. I need to feed them. I need to feed my slimes. Alright. Take the food. You said you wanted food. No, take it. There you go. I give you 20 carrots. I think you're good. There we go. Oh yeah, I made so much money. 360. He pooped! Give me it. Okay, thank you. No, there you go. Oh, he ate it again. Give me that. Somebody eat. I will throw them at you until you eat them. I like. Oh no! He escaped! Shoot him in there! Shoot him in there! Go! Come here! I like doing this to the slimes. Alright, give me. Y'all good? Ow, I hit my foot on my desk. Hold on. How much does it cost? How much does it cost to get the thing? Okay. So many of my friends are getting on. This 250. Eat your carrots! Eat your veggies! Eat them! Eat them! I'm gonna take every single one of your carrots and I'm gonna throw them all at your face until you eat them. Eat them. Come on. Come on. Why won't they eat them? I didn't have this struggle. They would eat like they would never stop. And I was happy. But no! No! Okay, now they eat. Come here, give me, come on. I lost all my tabbies slimes because of you. You little slime. Alright, give me all your carrots. Okay. There you go, little guys. There you go. Eat them. There you go. I'm gonna go get some tabby slimes. I forgot the thing was blocked off. No. Okay, oh my gosh. Hold on. Alright, there we go. No, I'm gonna take all your slimes or whatever. Oh my gosh! I don't know why I did that, but oh my gosh. Oh, well, that's kind of why, but I don't know. Now he's probably just gonna annoy me. Let me put my phone on silent. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. I literally just texted you. I said I'm recording. Is there more to ask than that? Or he didn't ask anything, but still. No tabbies? That's mean. I need the tabbies. But they're not getting me any. Am I moving? I thought I was moving. Any tabbies? One tabby? That's all? Wow. Ow! Alright. Are there any tabbies here? No? Hold on, I didn't check down here. Usually there's a bunch. Of course there's none. There's never any. I just want the slimes. I think I'm lost. Tabbies! Give me the tabbies. Come here. Come here. No. I don't want you. Go away. No, tabby. Tabby. Oh, there's a tree blocking me. Any more tabbies? Ooh. Tabby! I love how the coin... Oh. I was about to say, I love how the coin animation shows up, but you don't get any coins. But I got them. So. Yay! I'm so happy, just like these little slimes right here. You know, they're very happy. Because I'm not taking any of their carrots. Because they don't like it when I do. Are these carrots, or are these chickens secretly bunnies? They tried to take my, what carrots? Yeah. And I know what it was called. Definitely. Really? Okay, good. Their diet is meat. Good thing I had some carrots. Come here. Come here. Alright. How did you get out? No. Get in there. Alright, where'd that other chicken go? There's a chicken and it flew away. Never mind, chickens can't fly. I lied. I thought he just jumped the wall. He just jumped the wall! Okay, let me get some money. And let's just fix that. Oh, I suck at aim. And none of y'all saw anything. So, how much does it cost to get upgraded walls? Oh, there's the other chicken. Hey, chicken. Oh. High walls, 350. Alright. Alright. Hopefully I can get that much money. Oh, that side is blocked off because it hates me. And it okay, it's such an exact number. It's just, yeah. I thought it said 1,719. That wasn't funny, Nolan. Why'd you laugh? Nolan, you're stupid. Whoa! What is this? What? Ooh, wait, ooh, what's that? Treasure pod is locked. Oh, good. Wait, there's a little spot down here. Oh, a treasure pod. Ah, okay. Well, now we know where our secret spot is. A heartbeat? I got a heartbeat. My heart is beating right now. But ching! I'm weird. Don't judge me. Eat. Eat. Blow up. He's supposed to blow up if you feed him enough. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. I thought he was about to blow up. Oh, he's about to. I want to put him in my home. I want to keep him as a pet. Ooh. Alright. Let's take these. Hopefully he blows up. Oh, there he goes! He gonna blow up! Oh, he blew up! Get the key. Let me, thank you. Boom! Boom! They're stealing all the berries from me. No, it's gonna be mine. No, thank you. I have a key. Are you proud of me, Mommy? I made a fat guy explode. And then he gave me a key. Are you proud of me? Okay. She's not. No. Okay. That's what I thought. They're just desperate to get up there. So, I'm just gonna throw this up there. Hold on. Guys, y'all wanna get up there so bad? You want free food? Oh, they all missed. Oh, they can just go that way. Oh wait, no they can't because they're terrible at parkour. And they can literally come up here and jump. Here, guys. Y'all so happy? Oh, don't go off the edge. They don't care. They just want to go off the edge. That's all. They want to get up there so badly. And then they just go off the edge because they don't care. Okay, I really need to get that now. Okay, please. Yes, I can get it. Alright. Now, y'all are not going to get out. Because I'm not going to allow that. Come here. Alright, there it is. Alright. Now, y'all can't get out. Boom! If they get out, I'm gonna be so mad if they get out. Alright, is this thing done? Can I put something new in it? No? Okay. Remove crops. Purchase. Or, not purchase. Did it actually cost money to do that? I guess it did. Let's grow a heartbeat. I'm gonna go sell all this. I need one of those storage thingies. I like filled that thing up with carrots one time. like 500. Like that 500 on each side. So it'd be 2,000. How do I think I have to purchase everything in here to be able to get those treasure thingies. But hold on, how much is a storage thing that costs? Silo, whatever you want to call it, 450. Okay. What just happened? Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope, okay, I can't talk today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe. Bye.